why the mantra is not working for you. This mantra is to attract the people, attract the king, attract the male, attract the female. Why the mantra is not working for you? You know why? Because the Bijakshara or the long mantra or the Nama mantra which you are telling is just to do a prayer in the beginning of the sadhana or in the beginning of your day. It's not meant for to solving the problem. See, if you are chanting Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya from years together, did you see any results? Yes, of course, you would have seen some results when you started to chant this mantra. Few days, like say around 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. After that, it will get used and it will become normal. The same way, all the mantras. So, what should we do specifically? If you ask me that, I have the answer. The answer is you have to go into the deeper and powerful and the topmost secret mantras which will give you the result. For example, if we are going to chant Om Gam Ganapate Namaha for like 10,000 mantras, if we are reciting, what is the use? The use is you are just praying Lord Ganapati and saying that thanksgiving or just saluting him. Okay? Perhaps what we have to do is, there is another mantra of Ganesha. This mantra, if you can understand properly, I will make you understand. This mantra is Om Namo Siddhi Vinayakaya Sarvakaryakartru Sarvavigno Prasamanaya Sarvaraja Vashankaranaya Sarvajana Sarvastri Purushakarsanaya Shri Om Swaha. This mantra is to attract the people, attract the king, attract the male, attract the female, attract everyone. And this mantra is to see that the planetary problems or the doshas which are occurring, it will be solved. Like this, there should be some meaning in the mantra. There should be a vibration and frequency which will support you. Then only your mantras will work. The same way, every mantras, all the mantras, let it be Tamasic mantra, let it be Agor mantra, let it be Kaulachar mantra, let it be Shabri mantra, let it be normal Dakshinachar mantra. There should be some meaning and some work should be there, some programming. Like we have a smartphone, there is a lot of programming inside that phone. So whatever programming is done, only that will work. Without that, if you take a keypad phone and if you want to open the internet and if you want to see so many things, would it happen? Definitely it doesn't happen. And if you touch the screen does not work because it is not meant for the touching screen, right? The same way, please do understand the spirituality properly and make the use of the mantras, keep it in your daily prayers so that you get everything, health, wealth, prosperity, everything in your daily life. Thank you very much. If you are willing to take any mantras, please do contact me. Definitely, I am there for you to support you always, always, always. Thank you.